Hi royalties, welcome back to Glam Queen of Decor, and if you're new, welcome. Now today's video is the Glam Squad 2nd anniversary Glam home tour for 2022. If that sounds interesting, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright royalties, let's jump right into this Glam Squad 2nd anniversary Glam home tour. Now the Glam Squad consists of myself, Tammy Glam Queen of Decor, Ellen from Glamour Ellen, Ian from Living Luxury with Ian, and Sule from My Style, My Colors. Now you guys, I'm going to let you see my space for this Glam home tour. And once again, family, please do make sure that you go over and check out Glamour Ellen, Luxury Living with Ian, and Glam Home with My Style, My Colors. Their channel links is down in my description box, and I'm also going to tag their video links down as well. So please make sure you go over and check out these ladies' video. Now, if you're still watching and you're not a part of the Glam Queen of Decor family, please do make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell twice, it'll turn blue, then you'll know every time that I am uploading a video. Now, here on the Glam Queen of Decor, the name says it all. You get a lot of home decor, glam style. We do room tours, home tours, coffee table styling, entryway styling, tablescapes, bar cart styling, mantle styling, anything, you guys, that is related to home decor, you will see it here on the Glam Queen of Decor. Also, please don't forget to check out our other branded channels, and that is Glam Queen of DIY and Glam Queen Vlogs. Those links are also down in the description. And I hope you have enjoyed what I created for this Glam Squad 2nd anniversary Glam Home Tour. I hope it gave you lots and lots of inspiration. Drop me a comment on how it inspired you. And please don't forget to check out the other Glam Squad members. That's Glamour Ellen, Luxury Living with Ann, and Glam Home with My Style, My Colors. Their links are down in the description box. And also, if you're coming from one of their channels, thank you for becoming a part of the Glam Queen of Decor family. And we'll see you in another video.